Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy and enjoying your online classes. So dear student, in the previous offline classes we have learned sentence and its type. And today in this video we are going to learn interchange of sentences. Okay students? So student, in interchange of sentences we transform an affirmative sentence into negative sentence, an assertive sentence into interrogative sentence, assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence, and exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Okay students? So we will start from interchange of affirmative and negative sentence. Today I will teach you how to interchange an affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Okay, so there are lots of methods to interchange an affirmative sentence into negative one. So let's see what are the concepts. So we will study one by one. Okay, so very students, type first. Let's see what is the type first. We can interchange an affirmative sentence into negative sentence by using antonyms. By using antonyms of the given verb or adjective. Is it clear? Okay, we can interchange an affirmative sentence into negative by using the antonym opposite word, okay, of the verb or adjective. Okay, so let's see how to change. So students, very first, this is a affirmative sentence and you are asked to change into negative one. You are asked to change into negative one. Okay students? So now when you change this sentence into negative, very first, you know, structure of the negative sentence, we use subject, then we use helping verb, then we use negative word noun. Okay? After that we follow the other process. So very first you will write the subject. So what is the subject? Subject is Mohan. We have some example of affirmative sentence and you have to change into negative. So very first, sentence number first, Mohan is an honest farmer. Then let's change into negative. So what is the subject? Subject is Mohan. Then we use is and after that we use not. Mohan is not. Then honest. This is an adjective and I have told you we use antonym of the adjective. So what is the antonym of the word honest? Dishonest. So we use Mohan is not a dishonest farmer. Okay students? Students, you know, interchange of sentence. When we interchange a sentence, then the meaning should not be changed. Okay? The meaning should not be changed. Form may be changed, but the meaning should not be changed. So in the sentence, Mohan is an honest farmer, and when you change into negative, you have form Mohan is not a dishonest farmer. If Mohan is not dishonest, then what is Mohan? Mohan is honest. So the sense of the first sentence and after the interchange or into negative, both sentences carry the same meaning. Okay students? So I hope you have got example first very well. Now see example second. You will find the journey comfortable. Now see, you are asked to change into negative. So very first you will mention subject you, then helping verb will. Then you will not mention find. The journey comfortable. This is a adjective. So you will use antonym uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. So you will mention you will not find the journey uncomfortable. If the journey is not uncomfortable, then what you will find? Comfortable. So meaning are the same. Meaning of the both sentence is same, but in the form, okay, the form of the both sentence is different. Okay. Let's see one more example. He loves drinking. So very first you will mention subject he, then you have to mention helping verb, and student, for that you have to identify the tense. So which tense here? So this is the simple present tense, and you know in simple present tense we use helping verb does with singular subject she. So he does not. Then in that sentence love is the verb. So what is the opposite of the love? So we can use hate. You can also use dislike. Okay? So he does not hate, he does not dislike drinking. Okay? He does not hate, he does not dislike drinking. Okay? Now see, one more example. He was doubtful whether it was correct. Okay, now you have to change into negative. So student, he was not. Now see, doubtful is an adjective and you have to write antonym. So what is the antonym of the word doubtful? You can say sure. Okay, so he was not sure whether it was correct. Okay dear? So I hope you have got all the points that I have taught you. Okay students? So this was the concept now first, this was type first, okay, and this was the type first, okay, by using antonym of the given verb or adjective. Okay. After that, we will study some other concept about the interchange of affirmative and negative sentence. So students, I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points. Okay? So time start now. Okay students, I hope you have noted down all the points of type first. So students, let's see the further concept of interchanging of an affirmative sentence into negative one. So students, let's see type second. What is the type second? So student, we can interchange an affirmative sentence into negative one by using no one except or none but. Okay? We can interchange an affirmative sentence into negative by using either no one except or none but at the place of only or alone. Okay? If the affirmative sentence contains the word only or alone, then only or alone is replaced by the word no one except or none but. You are free. Any one of these two words you can use at the place of only or alone. Okay? So let's see some example. Only a prince can afford such a luxury. So students, you can see this affirmative sentence is starting with the word only. Starting with the word only. Now you have to change into negative sentence. Then student, as you see the sentence starting with the word only, then very first when you will change the sentence into negative, you will use either the word no one except, okay, or you can also use none but. Okay, you are free. You can start from no one except or none but. Okay, and after that we replace the word only, none but. Prince can afford such luxury. Okay? No one except or none but a prince can afford such luxury. Okay? Now second point, second example. The brave alone deserve the fair. So students, you can see the sentence contains the word alone. And now you are asked to change into negative. So students, when you will change the sentence into negative, so very first you will use the word no one but. You are free, you can also use no one except. Sorry students, you have to write here no one except, or you are free to write students, you can write none but. After that, what you will write? The break you have to remove alone. Deserve the fair. Okay? None except. Sorry, no one except, none but. Okay? You can use any one of the both words. Okay? So students, I hope you have got very well type second. Now see type third. We can also interchange an affirmative sentence into negative one by using no sooner. By using no sooner at the place of as soon as. Okay? If the affirmative sentence starts with the word as soon as, then when you are asked to change into negative, so at the place of as soon as, you will write no sooner. Okay? So let's see how to change. You can see the example. As soon as he saw the lion, he ran away. So student, you can see the sentence is starting with the word as soon as. So when you change into negative, so very first what you will write? No sooner. And according to the tense, this is a simple past tense, so we will use helping verb did. Okay? No sooner did, then we use subject he, and here you know when we use helping verb did, then we use first form of the verb see. No sooner did he see the lion, at the place of comma we use conjunction than. Then he ran away. Then he ran away. Okay? Let's see one more example. Very first what you write? No sooner did the subject the teacher enter, because we have used did, then first form of the verb we use. No sooner did the teacher enter the class, at the place of comma what is used? That is than. All the students became silent. Okay students, I hope you have got these 2 points, type second and type third. Okay, so students, I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points and revise the all concept. Okay, suppose that you are asked to change into affirmative sentence from negative one, then the concept reverse. The sentence start with no sooner, then positive sentence which start with as soon as. If there is no one or none, then you are asked to change into affirmative, then you will use only or alone. Okay students, this concept interchange. So students, note down these all points and make a proper notes and revise the concept. We will continue the further concept in the next video. Till then, watch the video and enjoy.